Besides the 500 megabyte data allowance, the once lifetime fee also includes an amount of 250 SMS that can be used over the 10 years lifetime. This tutorial explains what kind of SMS are supported and how to set up the SMS configuration. Once supports two kinds of SMS that are commonly used for IoT applications: mobile terminated SMS and mobile originated SMS. Mobile terminated SMS are sent from the customer's server to the SIM card carrying device, whereas mobile originated SMS are sent from the device to the server. Direct SMS messages from one device to another device are not supported. The Once customer portal offers a number of functions for easy and quick administration of your SMS volumes. Under Dashboard, for example, you get an overview of the SMS status for all SIM cards that are currently in use. This includes the number of SIM cards with sufficient SMS volume, the number of SIM cards with an SMS volume below 20%, all SIM cards with no SMS volume left, the overall SMS usage of the last 6 months. To get detailed information about the SMS status of a specific SIM card, switch to the tab My SIMs and choose one SIM card. Under Usage, you can check the number of SMS left for this SIM card. In case you need to recharge SMS volume, click on the button Top Up above. Alternatively, you can rebook additional SMS volumes in the Dashboard section for all SIM cards with low volume. Besides recharging SMS volume, you have the opportunity to send an SMS MT directly from the Once customer portal to the application device. Therefore, choose the tab SMS and enter the source address and payload. Now click Send, then Refresh. The SMS sent to a specific SIM card can now be seen directly underneath this function. Beyond that, you have the possibility to forward MO-SMS towards a configurable URL. Therefore, go to the Configuration tab and choose the section SMS Forwarding Configuration. Insert the URL of the server which will receive the SMS and save your configuration. For better control of the SMS volume usage, you can set a limit of 10 SMS per month. This limit can be activated and deactivated at any time under Limits in your configuration menu and will be applied to all SIM cards. Using the Application Programming Interface, or API for short, SIM cards can also be administered directly via external platforms. The API allows to automatically receive information about your SIM cards without using the customer portal, and enables the integration of all relevant SMS functions into the customer's own software environment. To open the API, go to api.once.com or select the corresponding section in the Configuration tab. To start, click on the Authorization button and enter your credentials from the Once customer portal. After having completed the authorization process, the different SMS requests supported by the API can be seen. Here, the customer can test all API requests for SMS supported by Once. The customer can get a list of SMS sent and received by a dedicated SIM card. Therefore, go to /SIMs, Manage Your SIMs, and choose the corresponding request. Click Try Out, enter the ICC ID, and execute the request to get the full list of SMS sent and received by the selected SIM card. Beyond that, you have the opportunity to submit an SMS to a specific SIM card. Therefore, choose the request below and enter the ICC ID of the SIM card that you want to reach out for. Please note that currently the payload is a required field and needs to be filled. By executing the request, you send the SMS to your device carrying the dedicated SIM card. The response includes the CURL, the request URL, as well as the code of the response header. Moreover, you can get details about specific SMS, like status, message, time of delivery, etc., by using the following request. To cancel an SMS that is buffered and not yet delivered, use the request delete SMS ID in the known manner. After executing the request, you will get a detailed response code confirming that the SMS has been deleted. The Once Swagger UI enables visualization and interaction with the API's resources without having any of the implementation logic in place. All SMS functions and other API resources shown in this tutorial can be integrated into your own programming via scripts in order to execute the corresponding functions on external systems. Please be aware of adapting the scripts to your own environment. To get more information about how to use the Once REST API on your external systems, read the information in our FAQs and refer to your system integrator or developer.